Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Visual Studio is updated and your work is saved. This avoids theme glitches. Once done, open Tools, then Options, or use Control plus Q and type options to jump straight there. You need the Environment section visible. Expand Environment and select General. Make sure extensions aren't overriding colors. Disable them temporarily if needed. This first step places you directly into the theme controls, so you can change appearance without restarting mid-task. Now choose the Color Theme drop-down under Environment General and pick a built-in or installed theme. You can preview how Editor, tool windows, and menus look before applying. If you need finer control, click Customize Colors to change editor background, text, and UI accents, or open the Theme Extensions options for more presets. Make adjustments iteratively. Apply, inspect, and tweak, because different projects and lighting conditions can make contrast and syntax colors behave differently. Finally, click Apply or OK to set the theme and restart Visual Studio if some UI elements still use the old theme. If colors look inconsistent, Reset Custom Color changes back to defaults so you start clean. This resolves many conflicts. If problems persist, disable extensions that affect appearance and, as a last resort, run devenv/reset settings to restore defaults. This sequence ensures the theme change sticks and gives you a clear recovery path if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.